Hi everyone, welcome back to another picoCTF challenge. Today, we're attempting Cookie Monster's secret recipe from the 2025 question set. While this challenge isn't particularly difficult, it's a great introduction to a few essential cybersecurity skills. First, it teaches you how to use browser developer tools to inspect cookies and understand what kind of data is being stored on the client side. To do this, right-click anywhere on the web page and select Inspect from the menu. In the Developers Tools panel, navigate to the Applications tab, and in the left-hand column, click on Cookies. You should see the cookies associated with the site. In this case, we notice a suspicious cookie value that ends with 2 equal signs, which is a common indicator of base64 encoding. Once we recognize the encoding format, we copy the cookie value and paste it into CyberChef, a powerful tool for data analysis and decoding. On the left side of CyberChef, select the From Base64 operation, paste your input, and you should see the flag in plain text. Now let's copy the flag back to the CTF webpage, and congratulations, you have solved another challenge. The key takeaway from this challenge is that data stored on the client side, even if it's not visible, is easily accessible and should never include anything sensitive. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next episode. Bye!